Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to undo in Excel. Open an Excel sheet first, and here you can see it's already bold. Let's make it italic too. Let's say we want to undo it and make it normal. So what we will do is just click on the undo option, and if we click on it, and it will remove the undo option. If we click again, it will just make it normal. Again, it will give a previous state. Whenever the much time we will do it, and it will keep on undoing the thing. And we can do it through our keyboard too. We have to press Ctrl+Z option, and it will do undo for us. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.